Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable microphone access on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down and select the privacy tile. And then on the left side, underneath app permissions, you want to select microphone. And then on the right side, where it says microphone access for this device, go ahead and select change. And make sure that's toggled off if you want to turn off microphone access for your Windows 10 computer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.